an idea how we want you to trade. Can happen in due course of time. You can develop your own ways to improve. But basic idea is to try to inform you should go about terminology. Okay, so that you can creation. So Power of RS product basically has Power of RS daily,
Okay.
Power of RS monthly, quarterly, and yearly.
Okay, sir.
Power of RS daily will come to you daily.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
Frequency of the ideas will be daily via mail and login from the web. Weekly will be once a week. That will be on day, night, or mid. Whereas this week we already dispatched it actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Same way, monthly will come now. New month is started, so monthly will be once a month.
Hello.
Quarter will be at every quarter, and yearly will be in January.
सर बीच में
Frequency
आवाज
of this.
गायब हो जा रहा है सर.
Hello.
हाँ सर, बीच में आवाज गायब हो जा रहा है सर
हाँ वो
आपका.
थोड़ा हो जाएगा बट
सर
रिकॉर्डिंग में आपको मिल जाएगा बाद में because
कोई
what
बात.
happens as I am talking
ओके.
the bandwidth sometimes is slow na, to transmit it.
नो इश्यूज सर, नो
Okay,
इश्यूज.
I will try to speak slightly slowly so that bandwidth gets transmitted.
ओके सर.
So power of RS daily,
ओके.
weekly, power of RS monthly, quarterly, yearly. Uh, Power of RS daily, as I said, one or two ideas for long and short trades. Okay. uh, Power of RS of other time frames, that is weekly, monthly, quarterly, basically all will be on the long side
ओके. या.
because the purpose is for uh, doing short term, medium term, and long term. That yearly will go quarterly, and yearly will go for basically long term, and monthly will be like a medium term. Daily and weekly will be trading in extreme near term.
ओके.
The frequency of the ideas for daily is basically one, or as I said, up 5, 5 of 30th. I can see it, right?
या.
So the, obviously this is a script name uptrend stock. That means this is a long idea. Downtrend stocks
ओके.
means a short idea. Since
शॉर्ट
this
आइडिया.
is intraday, there are certain rules which are need to be followed slightly strictly, more strictly you can
ओके.
say, rather than some ideas on weekly, monthly, and quarterly, because that over there you have space, time, and liberty. For intraday, there is less time and less liberty.
यस.
One has to be slightly strict in following, in the sense that we can try to avoid also, even if it was given a long.
ओके.
We try to avoid even if they are long.
ओके.
Because the ideas has to move in tandem with current live market situation. Suppose the idea is not moving in tandem, then probably you can avoid. So how do you avoid that? I will explain. Same case goes for long and short. And
Yeah.
those who are doing dedicatedly intraday, for them the rules are very strict. Okay, very strict. So that what happens is that one day if you don't trade, it doesn't make a difference.
करेक्ट.
So you avoid. So for then, what we derived later on is that some ideas which are given may not perform on the intraday, but might perform on the second or third day. Okay, so
यस.
we don't, because these ideas are spotted based on momentum.
ओके.
Okay, so momentum one day can go off in opposite direction, but can restore back the original momentum. So after second day or maybe third day. So we should not lose out on the opportunity. So we started suggesting, earlier we were not suggesting, then we started suggesting people that you can do on margin, e-margin trading. Lot of brokers like HDFC Securities, even ICICI, they are giving facility on cash stocks. So not in futures market, because future market has a larger lot size.
Okay.
So the risk is higher in futures. Whereas in cash, I can do smaller lot. Smaller lot means smaller quantity as per your comfort. Suppose
Correct.
Cipla is there. In futures might be a lot of about, I think, 300 or 400. I am
Okay.
not exactly sure, but it could be there. We can confirm it to get an idea from the NSE website.
Sure.
Lot size is about 1300. It's a big, big lot size,
Oh my God. Okay.
considering the price of 724.
Mm.
At that particular 1300, if you are trading in futures, you are of course exposed to higher risk, and also probability of profits are also higher.
Correct.
But all may not be all that comfortable. Just because the lot size is there, they are forced to take it.
Correct.
Okay, so you might take it 100, 200, 300 also, because whatever is your capital and whatever is your risk appetite, not only financially but mentally as well, because ultimately mental strength is more important to hang on to the nerves, because sometimes it might happen that you bought at 1 rupee, 5 rupee down and you panic.
Correct.
So then does not will. So mental strength also is required to foresee the volatility. So in order to avoid that situation, we suggested people to do it cash, but wherever the margin trading is available.
Okay.
All brokers may not, I'm not sure about it, but at least HDFC Securities has T plus 275.
Okay.
And ICICI also has something in similar lines. Sometime back, Sharekhan and also might have T plus 90. I'm not sure about it. You can
Okay.
check so with your respective broker. But the
Sure.
list of those stocks will be limited. There will be some selected stocks. Okay. So therefore, our objective is also try to look at slightly larger cap stocks.
Okay.
Earlier, we were doing mid cap also in that, but risk was getting exposed, and you had to take a delivery, and that delivery may come the third day, fourth day, or not. That we are not clear about it. So that even if there is a spike, and the spike after that spike, it comes down, and then that's a trouble starts. Maybe WB is violated, and that's a trouble over there. So maybe even if it performs, you may not get the benefit.
Okay.
So with the help of this e-margin, you can get the benefit, and it might ease out little bit from purely hardcore dedicated intraday. So let's take the terminology which will be more or less common in all time frames.
Okay.
So last close, obviously the last traded closing price officially.
Okay.
Uh, then DP is the demand point.
Yes.
So demand point is basically can be associated with buying.
Okay.
WB like so-called your stop loss.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. That means in case of any panic actually or something happens.
Hmm.
So if you see the distance between 681 and 644, it's about 44 rupees. Sometimes in some stocks could be higher.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
you can alter your volumes accordingly.
Okay.
I am aware about a 40 rupees risk. Okay. So at 100 shares, I am actually taking 100 into 40.
40.
That is 4,000 worth of
4,000
risk.
rupees. Yeah.
Accordingly, you can adjust. Suppose sometimes there is a difference of some other stocks like 100 shares, 100 rupees difference.
Okay.
So you can still understand your risk as per the capital that 100 shares and maybe 1000 price I'm exposed to whatever risk. So accordingly, you can reduce down your volume.
Correct.
And still, for example, for some time back, somebody just this is not related to the product, but related to the advantage you might have. Like suppose January somebody did a trade in Bharat Electronics, for
Yeah.
example. And the price was about 105 and something like that, 105, 110.
Yeah.
And then the crash came, and the person had did E margin in HDFC Securities. So
Okay.
he was clear that if I am doing in futures, then Bharat Electronics is not about I think 3,000.
Oh my God. Okay.
It's 7,600, not even 3,000. Okay, 7,600.
Okay.
So what happens is that you are now, instead of doing that 7,000, he did only 100 shares
Okay.
at
Okay.
with a 40% margin on 100 shares, 35-40% margin. So 100 shares, 10,000 rupees, around 3,000 rupees. Some I think it was 30%. Later on, got increased to 40%.
Okay.
So 30% and the price started falling immediately.
Hmm.
Maybe it went to 90 very fast. 20, 60, and the market also obviously crashed. So in the
Crashed.
crash,
Yeah.
the lowest was about 52 rupees.
Okay.
Now at various points in lower levels at
Hmm.
certain spread, he started averaging out.
Okay.
This is just an understanding what an E margin can do to you.
Okay.
It's how it can be helpful. And 52, we spent a lot of time between 77 and 50.
Okay.
When the market recovered, it also did not recover. Only in the latter part of the move now, it breakout happened about 80 rupees breakout, and now it's back to 100. But when the price was back to about 77, about to break out, his total quantity increased to 100, sorry, 1000 shares.
Okay. Wonderful. Averaging out. Hmm.
Okay. So 1000 shares and average worked, which started from 100 rupees,
Hmm.
110, average worked out about 75 rupees.
Wow.
At various points, lower levels, he kept on whenever the market was very deeply negative on an intraday, and the stock also fell. So
Correct.
on the bad days, he took a bit of lower at every point, wherever identifying the support and resistance. This is a different model, different way altogether. But the thing is that if you are doing the same in future, you would have been wiped out actually.
Okay. Yes.
Because
7,000 lot
7,600
size.
50 rupees.
Correct.
You don't know that. So the advantage of margin and future is this, but still want to take the advantage of the movement and still not take the delivery. So I could actually, anybody could have still run the stock still also. It went to 105, and you say that I am doing long term.
Okay.
See, 275 is more than 1 year actually.
Hmm.
Okay, so 240 to 50 days, so almost like a 1 year thing. So it's a
Correct.
big large time. So volatility have. So that is why we started with the looking at this objective that if your broker is having even T plus 30 also it's okay.
Hmm.
But T plus 90 also it's okay. But basically whatever it should have. But T plus 5 could be sometimes tight.
Hmm. Yeah.
Some plus 5 could be tight. Maybe more than T plus 15 or 30 could be okay. But still it can work in T plus 5 also if they are giving.
Hmm.
But they should have that margin facility. That is the advantage. Now, WB is something which is, if violates immediately,
Okay.
it's preferred that you exit other stocks. So, therefore, defining the risk is important. What is the basic difference between the last closing price and WB?
Okay.
Let's give you the risk. Now, DP again, last closing price or below. That means effectively, if any price is below DP, that is
Hmm.
the first price of 681.25, it is assumed that call is activated.
Okay.
Okay, that means if you ask me what price to buy, I said anything below 681.25.
Okay.
In the morning, you are getting anything below that, you can. exit, or maybe you can have the range, say sometimes 0.5% plus
Okay.
minus. Also sometimes, because morning if you get it, then you can, the stock can run up also very quickly.
Mm.
So you might have an advantage. Now DP, this is the center point, and level 2, these again are the buying point. If tomorrow we are expecting that market slightly weaker and SGX and all that thing, market likely to open weaker, then why not, don't rush into the last closing price.
Okay.
You might have the advantage of buying it anywhere where the price is there in the morning. But weaker price would bring advantage to you
Okay.
at lower levels, and thereby also reducing the risk.
Okay.
Okay, because
Okay.
now at 676 to 670 by risk is lower.
Correct.
Risk means whatever I can lose out.
Yes. Yes.
And then once the price touches there or you get it, then if you get immediately higher levels,
Mm.
then anything at this SP is the supply point, supposed to be the resistance point, and you can also call it as a trading targets.
Okay.
Okay, they may not be very big spread because it's a daily. So anything, it could be anything between 2% or maybe 3% or whatever. It is not in percentage. It is based on the mathematical calculation based on what is the stock. If the previous day's movement was wider, upper range, that is this level 3 and lower, will be wider. Even the pre will be wider. So more or less on the range what it did yesterday. Based on
Mm-hmm.
mathematics. Then is the downtrend.
Correct.
The downtrend will have to be strictly for intraday only.
Yes.
So it cannot. So if somebody is not keen on it, they can ignore. But still, SP is the supply point, which is supposed to be the selling point or short trade point. So anything at last close or above in the morning is the supply point.
Okay.
On the software. So anything we can see about it, how it behaved. So 90 to 50 is the supply point, and if you get better openings,
Yeah.
better openings at say center point or level 3,
Mm.
they become your opportunity to intraday short basically.
Okay. Okay.
And SA means strong above.
Okay.
It is like a stop loss for short.
Okay. Okay.
Strong above. So if anything, I am selling at 94 and the
Mm.
price keeps going up,
Yeah.
96.90 is crossed, then I should be out. So what's
Okay.
my risk? 96.90 to 92.40.
Mm.
So accordingly plan your volume.
Okay.
How
Mm.
much? So it basically it is related inverse relationship. So if I see that volume, if I have, I decide that I want to take 3,000 rupees of risk.
Mm.
So whatever is the difference divided by that would be approximate quantity, and later depend on the eligibility what broker is allowing. So
Correct.
whichever is lower. In the
Okay.
sense that if your capital is 1 lakh, so effectively they would probably intraday might be higher, but
Yes.
if we, since this is intraday, you may have to, so intraday risk could be higher. Maybe they might give you 5 times, 10 times, depending on the whatever stock. So depending also on the stock which is selected for short. So it may not be every time 10 times. It might be 3 times sometimes, depending on the stock which they are giving intraday leverage.
Correct.
So according, but we don't want to utilize everything. So I would say probably 5,000 rupees risk, and accordingly calculate and accordingly alter my volumes. If it is whichever is lower out of the that. So I can, and if market is opening better, or if you can see the intraday market is moving up in the morning,
Mm.
and higher price, then 94.20 I am getting in the morning, then I am trying to sell. So after selling at 94.40, you are getting 93 and market comes down by mid-afternoon. You can take profit here even as you said. Or if it falls below this, obviously you are looking at profitability. So the demand point GT becomes your short covering position. This was on 30th. So 30th 954, we saw market opening higher, and see the 30th starts from where my mouse is there. 9:30, then over here we are 9. And this is your 9 morning 9:15 9:20 bar. Okay. Now after that, the market had gone up as far as this stock is concerned and made a high of 93.20.
Correct.
If we are getting 93.10, then around 93, you could actually sometimes feed also that rate. If it happens, happens. If it doesn't happen, forget it.
Yeah.
Okay. So 93 I touched, then later on it fell to about 91.70. So we
Oh,
were below, so we were in a profitable situation in
correct.
91.40. So sometimes that can be tricky. You would say that okay, 91.40 में काटूं कि 91.50 में काटूं या 91.60 में काटूं. That a little bit liberty, it's up to you actually. But it may happen that you had said that I fed it at 91.40, it did not come, and then it moved up.
Okay. Hmm.
I was waiting for 91.40. People generally say that 40 did not happen, and then maybe it was 3 o'clock.
Hmm.
Uh, see, even at 250, it was 92.50.
Correct.
Okay. And over here we take because ultimately we are have look trading for profits. We are
Hmm.
not basically here to prove how much correct we are or how much wrong we are. Okay.
Correct.
Our objective, we are taking this as an idea to support the factor of trading, and whatever we are giving, the technical idea based activity for observations on our such develop for ourselves. So that way you have to explain. I mean, it's very difficult to explain why we are selected because it will take lots and lots of time for that to explain. So why it was selected and how there will be I have a lot of choice maybe 1525 we that is what is an RS it is not rupees.
Okay.
Okay, it is not rupees. It is
Resistance.
RS, it's relative strength, and it is also not. If you have heard about RSI, it is
Okay.
also not RSI.
Okay.
It is RS basically trying to benchmark against your Nifty whether it is performing or not performing within a defined period of 7 days as far as daily concern.
Okay. Okay.
Within that, I might have new signals, old signals, based on various technical models which we are created for ourselves, and now maybe I might have 10 out of that. There is an order. RS gives me order of selection,
Okay. Okay.
order of preference. So the ones which are weaker, when it is saying RS is about 19, so that means in last 17 trading days, sorry,
Uh-huh.
7 trading days, it is underperformed or it is performed only 20% of the time.
Okay. Okay.
80% of the time it has underperformed the market.
Okay.
It's a big stop and it's a more selling has been experienced in that.
Okay. Okay.
I'm looking at Cipla when I'm saying 57% 0.30.
Okay.
So I mean that 57% of the time it has done better than the Nifty.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
So that means there is chances of that probability of it is moving higher is better.
Okay.
Or we are and based on other candlesticks and all that thing which were selected, I'm looking at the breakout. So because after I might have a I might see the subjectivity at the chart.
Okay.
I look like and what happens is that invariably even if I don't look at the chart,
Okay.
this mostly underperformance will lead to a slide ultimately.
Hmm.
Maybe someday it it happens that one day it spiked, but after 2 days also we see that it is down.
Yeah.
But we don't want to encourage basically short, therefore we cannot do in e-margin. E-margin is mostly long side. Short sides are not permitted as far as the HDFC Securities example model is concerned. So I don't know about others. So that is why we say it is not allowed. So we don't have a choice. And doing it in futures might be of higher risk.
Okay.
So that is why we don't advocate about it. That is as far as the e-margin is concerned.
Okay.
And further, we have certain defined earlier rules very strictly. Now with e-margin, you have a little bit liberty. Okay. The rules to help to learn and earn. Why we are saying always learn and earn is basically because whatever rules you are learning below or reading it, that is a trading logics and intraday logics, and you can apply to anything. You can apply to Nifty, you can apply to any world market, you can apply to anything.
Okay.
So what happens, why learn is basically because on a routine basis, you may not trade for 1 week also, but you are observing Nifty, you are observing certain Reliance, you are observing SEBI, Infosys, or maybe TCS or in large caps, and you are trying to apply that rule also on that, it will work
Okay.
and it will give you desired profit. But the objective is that is why we are saying learn and earn. And maybe you are looking at certain stocks which you feel that good result is today there is a meeting and people follow that. I don't follow all that thing, but
Yeah.
the purpose is to learn. Today there is a meeting, AGM, result announcement is there, government has announced something, all that stuff, and a lot of various other fundamental factors.
Mm.
So if you are following this same thing logic, like somebody told me India Bull Housing,
Okay.
some meeting there yesterday. So what do you think about it? I told him follow the logic. You'll know the answer. Because what they do is not within our control.
Okay.
What corporates do, what the announcement they are doing, what policy changes are happening, we don't do. So we might
Correct.
come to know last. We are not the first.
Yes.
Those who are first, they take the action. So-called official insiders
Yeah.
or unofficial insiders. So we don't know. There will be official insiders and there are unofficial insiders. Official insiders, so they have a first-hand information.
Correct.
So they will be selling. So what will happen if you follow the next page rules we are discussing? You will
Mm-hmm.
get. So purely for intraday application of the rules essential and check the additional. So let's see certain rules which we have defined. Rules can be applied on individual stock of your own choice and get hang of the rule. First, basically we segregated two kinds of mindset of people. One who are aggressive,
Okay.
जिसको सौदा करना ही है,
Ah.
and the other guy is somebody he wants to play cautious. Okay, if I miss out on a day of trading, the purpose of this product is the beginner product. So there will be lots of people who are not a compulsive trader.
Okay.
Okay, they said okay ठीक है नहीं करना है तो नहीं करना है 2-3 दिन क्या फर्क पड़ता है. There's
Correct.
somebody who wants to at 9:15 only they want to do whether even fulfilling any of the conditions.
Oh my
They
God.
are not willing to wait till 9:25 also or 9:30 also.
सर ऐसा लोग पैसा तोड़ता नहीं है सर ज़्यादा.
Huh?
वो 9:15 वाला जो ट्रेडर्स रहता है वो पैसा तोड़ेगा ना सर, if I'm not wrong.
Because if that like sometimes what happens if they trade long and
Okay.
if these are the basic conditions what we are saying going to define now
Okay.
is that why it goes up, why it goes down. So
Okay.
at 9:15 you are it's like a goalkeeper, na?
Okay. Okay.
It's like a
Yes.
goalkeeper who is going to take a free kick.
Oh.
So
Okay.
basically, but what we are saying is that before a goalkeeper is taking a kick, he takes a bit of a stance and reads the mind of the person, looks at his eyesight, looks at what
Correct.
is psychology. Maybe he has also studied about his history, about which side generally hits and what is the technique because they are also studying.
Okay. Okay.
So he's basically a bit of aware. So what we are doing is learning by way of our technology, by technique. Okay, so we are getting of course, 100% you can't save the goal kick, but there's so much to into it. It is not just about diving at one side.
Mm-hmm.
It is not just being lucky, just diving on one side. It is lucky, but we just randomly don't jump. So they have certain judgmental value which they have developed for their own self based upon historical that guy's ability to hit free kicks, which corner he hits or whatever. Like I mean, whatever. Like even a T20 last, it's a tie, and then we are seeing 6 balls to there to hit So we know this guy is going to hit how he's like Gale is there. If you put him short, he's going to dispatch you at any side. Okay.
Correct.
So where to bowl Gale? So they know, and that guy Gale also knows where this guy is going to bowl. So accordingly, he plans out, and he misses an opportunity to get a good strike. Then he hits it, so on. So what we are trying to basically do is that conservative and aggressive. So let's take a trading rules for uptrend, that is long trade for conservative traders. Basically, if you want to avoid a trade,
Mm-hmm.
current price, that is whatever you are going to check this at about 925 or 930.
Okay.
The current prices during the market time is below the open, whatever is the open. Say for
Mm-hmm.
example, okay, now this daily chart will not tell you exactly because daily chart is a summation. So, but just to randomly see, okay, this was 30th price.
Okay.
So what was the open? The open registered officially is 681.20. So if it is above the open and above the open and above the previous day's close. So previous day's close we are having about trading above them after 925.
Okay.
Then you trade long.
Okay.
If it is not,
Okay.
then don't trade.
All right.
Like say if the price is below the open
Okay.
and below the last close, then if I might have given a long trade in Cipla
Mm.
and it is trading below both,
Okay.
then avoid
Okay.
so that you don't waste time.
Correct. Correct.
Sometimes what happens, if on the same day
Mm.
stock falls on an intraday
Oh dear. Okay.
and you buy it
Mm.
and you are doing intraday, so you say that मुझे 3 बजे काटना है.
Okay.
तो 3 बजे काटना है तो obviously you don't, I mean no choice, you have to cut it. So whatever you are booking a loss.
Yeah.
So, okay. So now if so that is why I want to avoid that. I
Okay.
save my day and I save my stop loss violations or
Correct.
cutting at 3 o'clock, whatever, whichever is.
Mm-hmm.
WV may not happen, but
Yeah. Yeah.
it 3 o'clock. So at least I'm saving capital, so you are being conservative.
Okay.
Trade long if current price is above the open and above the last close around 925.30. The condition fulfills, then trade long and trade accordingly. But it should happen that it should not happen that you are buying at a level 3 already before you could execute a trade.
Mm.
But the stock might give you fractional opportunity at 9 something and it just runs up.
Okay.
And before you could actually execute. Some people will be able to execute, some people may not be able to execute depending on their individual implementation
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
confidence level of ability. Some people may not wait for 920. They know it's above the open, they know it's above, they are willing to take the risk. So they just rush into it.
Okay.
Jubilant Food will take up that example.
Mm-hmm.
It moved up very quickly and then came down later on. Whatever the gains were there, morning gains erased completely. So
Okay.
trade long and DP and so on, and WB became just up. The
Okay.
above rule helps to save the day and helps to avoid the trade if stock is not performing. That doesn't mean that stock trend is gone affected or that trend is turned bad or it is going to crash or it is going to fall. It might just be a momentary day. Might be that this could be a turning day also, depending on market conditions. And the same thing if I apply on the Nifty as well on the same day in the
Okay.
morning, what is Nifty doing? Is it trading above the open? Sometimes what happens, Nifty is a gap down, but it is trading above the open.
Okay. Yes.
But it may not close above the previous day. So for Nifty, sometimes just an open is enough actually
Okay.
to decide that up and down. For stocks, because of the volatility is a higher risk, and as you get seasoned, you can take a call on your own that okay, sometimes if there is a gap down and it is trading above the open, if the low is not getting violated,
Mm.
then sometimes it will work for you. It will work wonders actually. It might just come back and recover whatever 100 points gap down was there, and you found that market recovered in the mid afternoon 100 points, or it has become zero from minus 100 to zero. So you would gain 100 points. So
Right.
that can also happen. Sometimes it can happen if it is open gap up
Okay.
and then it is trading below the open. So Nifty sometimes always may not give you that closing logic.
Okay.
So in Nifty you might have to actually do purely dedicatedly on the intraday open. If the risk between, so what is the risk? If it is above the open, what is important is the low.
Okay.
The risk is between open. So your entry is suppose 100 rupees, open is 100 rupees.
Okay.
Anything 100. Want to take some space and see how it is performing, for example. Now at this area, my risk is very high.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I might actually not trade because if it billets, then something like a 98. It is 98.
Okay.
I know it is a comfortable risk that even if it violates, I
Okay.
might actually get a little bit of risk. So whereas 98. So that only thing one has to remember where the risk is very high,
Okay.
then avoid sometimes. So that is for this is for a long trade. For a downtrend short trades, rules trading for downtrend trading short conservative. Avoid short if current price is during the market time is below the open,
Hmm.
below the previous close. Because intraday there are two types of strategy. One is a sell high and buy low strategy, and one is a trended strategy. So
Okay.
what we are looking at this is a trended strategy. Intraday trend strategy.
Okay.
So sell high buy low is what they will try to sell and buy against the trend.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
They will sell at higher range and they will buy at lower range.
Correct. Mm.
So downtrend is concerned, in check the same way it has to trade below the open and below previous day's closing. So this is dedicated rules for more for intraday so that somebody who is not even going to forward it, that is very clear about it.
Mm. True.
Because he says that okay, I want to take a larger leverage, so he's willing to take the higher risk. So maybe intraday there are 10 times. So maybe you have a capital of 50,000 and you want to
Okay.
take a 10 times exposure, you can take it to 5 lakhs for intraday.
Oh my God. Okay.
That depends on what the comfort. So there are some people who don't want to. They will just sell Motherson Sumi worth of about say 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and then what happens? One
Yeah.
has to remember the volatility and the general volume which the stock has. So we cannot randomly every time have a higher volume because your trade execution should happen because the whatever is the buy sell depth on each trade generally you can see only 100 and 200 shares on buy side and sell side, then it's very difficult to do large volume.
Mm-hmm.
If there is a depth of say 1,000 every time, 1,500, 1,000, 2,000 on buy side and sell side on a last trade,
Mm-hmm.
then you can say. But if there is a very low, then there is no point doing large
Correct.
volume because your impact cost will be higher in execution. So
Okay.
that has nothing to do with these ideas. Okay.
All right.
So if somebody does a large volume and बोले आपने बोला था हमने ये कर दिया अभी देखो हमारा ऊपर में कट गया and all that thing may not work in this case because our purpose is not doing all that. I'm just giving you an orientation so that how you
Correct.
can improve your implementation and thought process.
Okay.
Okay. Next it is aggressive traders. Aggressive traders basically are either sell contrarian or
Okay.
they want to just buy and sell basically. So like they don't want to follow much of the. So define risk per trade and stop loss, which we are saying can be a bear whether traders can or not. So long trades accumulate at considered active levels high and low, so where it is, and WB is like this, and then
Stop loss.
accumulating. Uh, Now what happens is basic logic is that we are considering a short trade thing, where the levels which are there, we just basically they work like horizontal line. So there will be horizontal line, three horizontal lines on the top,
Okay.
two horizontal lines in this.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You're able to see, no?
Yeah, I'm able to see it, sir.
What happens? This might be, say, some price rupees.
Okay.
Like rupees
300.
128, 96, and so on.
Okay.
Now, what these guys say that touches this level,
Mm-hmm.
then resistance comes down.
Okay.
So now this is your execution point to sell.
Okay.
This whatever high is becomes your SL.
Okay. Okay.
Then it whatever it goes down comes down to this price, you take it at.
Okay.
But is crossing up again immediately,
Ah.
then you have to cut your stop loss. And then because it might just go and start moving, that is it's going to go up. Actually, it becomes a trended day, then it will just keep sometimes going. But these levels will be respected many a times very strongly.
Okay. Okay.
You might just get that opportunity of 1 rupee or 2 rupee or whatever.
Okay. Okay. Ah, that's good.
It depends if that is where if you are really active,
Okay.
observant and active. Then if you are not, then it is not possible.
Okay.
What will happen when the level comes and go, and you don't know only.
Yes. If you're not
Those
active.
time, that time will be very fractional, maybe for some time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So like morning you sold, but in the afternoon it came down, you didn't take it, and post mid afternoon session started rising very strongly,
Mm-hmm.
and you didn't take it, and then there's this big spike,
Okay.
and then whatever you were getting, you are not, then you had to cut it. So basically, this is all about trading.
Okay.
Be aggressive with proper risk management. A long trade accumulate it is considered. Basically, what I'm saying is that the same, whatever I explained just now, the
Okay.
same logic. So both sides, long and short. So if it is a short trade, a long trade, then it is touching 100,
Mm-hmm.
and then it goes up. So like sometimes, so they are not generally following the open close rules.
Okay.
They are only following the support and resistance point and
Support
taking action.
resistance. Mm.
Okay. Say for example, yesterday's Motherson, if you see, not Motherson. Uh, in the first 5 minutes, first this was the open candle,
Okay.
1773
Mm-hmm.
high low, and open was about 1770, and this was about 1744. So which was almost 1745 was the center point, which is a demand point.
Okay. Yeah.
Almost 1745. Okay. So
Yeah.
it touches that actually in the morning at about 9:25.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are aware about the levels, this can be applied even for margin also you can do.
Okay.
If you're available and better price than you would have bought anything, and suppose you may not get 45, but you are on 50 or something like that. Because for margin, so anything at last close or below is active.
Okay.
But you know that margin after 9:20, it is bidding below the open. It touches and moves up very fastly over here up to 1811.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now 1811 we are expecting on 1806.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Don't take action that time. When it comes back, like 1793 and something 89,
Hmm.
then you ask, even you call me and ask me and what is to be done. Then I would only say that it touched the upper level, so preferably we would have to
Exactly.
exit is better, because what happens, you waiting, we don't know what happens.
Correct. Correct.
It might go higher, come sometimes, but
Uh-huh.
now in this case, it's gone below the morning low.
Okay.
And now in closing, the price was about at 3 o'clock. The price would have been about So what even if you bought at 715, 55, 45, you end up with getting 20 rupees. So then you will say, अरे मेरे को बेचना पड़ा, loss हुआ.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Loss and profit is a different story than looking at the ideas which are coming. Loss and profit happen for various reasons. One reason is direct reason that
Okay.
your idea is not work. That is the most direct reason. Okay. Then there is no scope for any remedial measures.
Okay.
So instead of I would say it's violated, you have to be out. Simple. I would not probably say anything more.
Okay. Okay.
But because it's violated, you have to get into discipline mode that if it is done. So that is why when you are starting a trade, you understand the risk.
Correct.
And then once you know the risk, understand the risk, you are actually to great extent removing the fear of losing.
Okay. Okay.
You are well prepared for it. But when you are not prepared for it, instead of 100 shares, you did 500 shares.
Mm-hmm.
The
The
5
risk
rupees
is.
top up happen. I mean,
Hmm.
if you see this, you see 1700, it is almost an 80 90 rupees.
Correct.
80 90 even on 100 I'm doing a 9,000 10,000. So if I'm okay with it, then it's fine. If I'm not okay, I do 50 shares.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, accordingly. So whatever the risk is there and as per the capabilities, you can. Because volatile. Na? So maybe the profits are restricted, losses are restricted. But in random trading, I'm doing 100, 200 shares and then come down. I might earn profit if I'm able to. Then you have to focus on more on very quick implementation process, not missing out any opportunity. Because if you see lethargically, you say, अरे नहीं लिया 500 शेयर लिया था अभी नीचे आया अभी क्या करूं
Mm-hmm.
then,
Correct.
then I can't do anything at all, frankly speaking.
Yes.
I'm not
Absolutely.
controlling the price. It is not that I'm not picking the price. I'm not shifting the price. Okay, so that's not
Uh,
my control.
I understand.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
upfront, frank speaking. I'm talking. I'm
Yeah,
not
I
talking
understand, sir.
how people they will call you. हमारा performance इतना है उतना है आप ले लो. All that stuff I don't do because that is a very performance. Even if the I'm saying the Jubilant अच्छा चला whatever I might send on WhatsApp and something
Cipla
like that.
also, sir. Cipla also worked very nice.
Then I might do on WhatsApp,
Mm-hmm.
but there will be somebody who will
Uh-huh.
make loss.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there were two people who one might make a good profit, one might make a loss. So
Okay.
therefore, it is not a proper. People sometimes ask me what is the performance. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
performance doesn't make a difference at all because ultimately, what you are going to implement and how you are going to. That is why we are giving this product training so that you know what my thinking is, what my thought process is, and what I am looking for you to do. So
Absolutely.
both are very comfortable. So you start managing your own risk very well. Don't
Mm-hmm.
treat it like a tip format, which how people are taking money of 7,000, 5,000 per month, and then they are doing this. They will call you, अच्छा लगा क्या call, and then you pay 3,000, and suddenly you realize that what they are saying is not working. So that is why we are saying learn and earn. So you are basically getting in tune with the market, also learning some ideas how you can operate, and you can operate this with this logic with any, any stock if you want. You can apply it to anything. You can. It will tell you in 9:15 whether you should be on a long side or a short side. Reliance, if you see tomorrow,
Hmm.
large side. Reliance is trading below the open. Say open was 2114, and below yesterday's closing 2108 incidentally in this case because it was
Okay.
not very gap down. And so you are short basically below 2108.
Okay.
And your stop loss would have been the high, which is 2129.
Okay.
That's the highest between the two.
Correct.
And then you are getting and it fell. So it gradually, as long as so your objective will be that as long as 2129 is not getting violated, I am holding.
Okay.
What you
Correct.
do is the risk management 2929, 2129 to 2108. That's a trigger. That's the range. So
Mm-hmm.
29 30 points. So 30 points, and if I'm eligible to do even in cash 100 shares, for example, or 50 shares, whatever, as per your
Yeah.
risk.
Yeah.
100 shares. 100 shares I'm doing in a cash also. Then the stock has fallen down to 2067. So even if range it had fallen to about 40 rupees, around 35 rupees. So
3,500 to 4,000 rupees. Nice, sir.
I may not get the full extent. Assume
Yeah.
that
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
get the, because see actually the sharp fall was between from 920 to first fall to 9 to 2052. Whatever was there was in the first chart.
Correct.
After that, it moved up. Then see what happens. You don't take the profit. Then it comes Friday. It moves up to 2094 again.
Mm-hmm.
There is ambiguity. अरे क्या करूँ क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है क्या काट लूँ क्या बेच लूँ.
Mm.
So if you implement right, you are exiting right. If you
Okay.
implement right, but you are not exiting right, then there is ambiguity. Okay,
Okay.
luckily, okay, you are saying I'll hold on to it, it's fine. And ultimately you got it. So basically, every time you have to overcome the
Okay.
and fear factor.
Okay.
The fear factor is the most dominant thing actually in trading. Even
Yeah.
if you're doing good, if there is too much of fear every time, you might miss out on good trades and might lose on because of fear only, even if the trade was good.
Correct. Mm.
Okay, so that was as far as the weekly is concerned. Just have a look at some get an idea. Rest things are all same.
Okay.
Like last week we had a weekly MCX.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So basic objective initially when the product was started is the product is there for a long time, but limitations from MT to market it properly is a problem because they are not in the position to talk anything about it. They are only used to it. ये मैंने बोला ये अच्छा हुआ आपका performance. Beyond that, if somebody talks with them, because there is a tendency of clients who are calling up, मतलब they start चढ़ने को ही देखते हैं basically. ये चला नहीं है क्या है ये वो all that attitude which is there because as a buyer they want to put pressure on the seller at times.
Okay.
So that happens and they are in no way to answer frankly speaking.
Mm-hmm.
What happens the product is there. So since whatever they and people don't call me up also. For example, even if any inquiry is there, they will send. They don't land up calling, and I don't call anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Frankly speaking, unless you start off your process because I believe that I don't want to put market or tell somebody who is not ready for it.
Okay. Correct.
You should be ready for it. You are interested in. You should be ready for it. There is
Absolutely.
an intention of learning to some extent and
Correct.
accepting the thoughts to some extent. So and they are not purely जो routine typical trader रहते हैं वो अरे मेरे को buy करना है चलो spec we are not completely thinking about speculation we are moving in the organized form
Okay.
of trading
Mm.
basically so the purpose is that so learn and earn and experience I've added a word now because as long as you don't experience it so that is
Okay.
why the product is for 1 year so that you start experiencing the
Okay.
effects and
Okay.
that will help you to boost your sentimental confidence with the
Mm-hmm.
rest. M6 was there. Similarly, we have this Google Sheet actually. So the
Okay.
purpose of the Google Sheet is more link I've already sent. You can also check it also. If you're having
Yeah.
an
Yeah. Yeah.
email account, it will open
Got
up
you.
immediately.
Got you. I got me. I got it, sir.
It will open immediately. If you are having other email account, then I think they have to log in and then I have to get the if I get the request, then I have to do. One second, can I just check the
Sure.
battery?
Mm-hmm. Sure. Sure.
This one actually purpose is more towards being positional and trades are picked up not trades prices are picked from Google Finance
Okay.
and the Google Finance are delayed prices slightly but it gives you a fair idea like say Jupital Food in the morning it moved to a high so there was an opportunity now it will show you a minus because it is only going to compare to you the current price whatever the
Correct.
price is there. In the
Mm-hmm.
same way, whatever I've fed it, like WB over here, there is a
Okay.
formula I've put it. So if it goes below, it is below the last one, it will show you a buy. The above, it will not show you a buy. If the stock it is going below WB, it will say yes,
Okay.
current
Okay.
price. And if it is now it is a T1, it is related T1. Okay, so T1, this is the first price. Now because the price is say no, if the
Okay.
price is above it, it will show a 10. Like say for example,
Mm. Mm.
this
TR10.
happens. This
Yeah.
happens. If you are doing a margin, in between you check it up. Like since you are aware, you don't need to check it up. But during the day or even the EOD basis, end of the day basis, you want to have a check actually to understand what's happening and I want position. You can have a reference kind of a thing.
Okay.
Example, suppose where that day slightly below, even some stocks are operating because indexes, Stumble and all performed actually the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Even
Yeah.
so that doesn't mean it is actually. But wherever the SL is happening, like ICICI Pru, it was almost 2% down. But then yesterday in between, it was from this. They will compare it with this closing, whatever is the indicated price. So
Okay.
it was recovered actually the other day. It was down almost 2%. WB was not violated. Went to 435, I think 435, 425 from 457. And then yesterday, I think it in between intraday it recovered.
Okay.
See this high, which is at 10:04, 10 o'clock.
Correct. Yeah, yeah. I was
460
observing that day, sir. Mm.
was the high. So what happened is we started, but you got the opportunity of, if it was trading below the open, you could have
Mm-hmm.
assume that you had got 50 shares, 100 shares at 457, for example. And
Mm-hmm.
later on, fell over here, I can still add my 25 year, 25 year.
Mm-hmm.
So I had 200 and I had a probably chance of taking. So my average was about, yeah, this is not gone to the higher levels of 467, but still, intraday when it breaks 60, I actually flash it on the WhatsApp actually. Sometimes I do it, sometimes if I'm observing, I'll do it. There's no compulsion on that. But if you are
Mm-hmm.
doing it, purpose is to that, so that people start looking at that way. Okay, you're 60, you're 57, your average cost, you still want to exit, you can exit. It was a profit. But it made a plus over here about around 1%, not
Okay.
1%, around half percent or quarter percent.
Mm-hmm.
There was an opportunity. Now what happens is the price gone below 457 again, it will show you a buy.
Okay.
But you have to look for only for buys because we are assuming that E margin is there in the buy side. E margin is
Correct.
not there on the short sides are maybe then you cannot check it for the short side now. But still it gives you fair idea. Same way if you click over here in next tab, RFRS weekly. So this is the one idea you can see over here. HDFC Life was an example where actually in weekly that week it didn't do well. It actually tested all these lower levels and later on it's above that.
Oh.
Same case for Balkrishna Industries. It 12,
Okay.
12.59. So when you are doing weekly, you can split your volumes.
Okay. Okay.
You don't need to and you are doing an E margin 100 shares bought 25. Keep room for you know you have a capacity of 200 shares. Okay, 200 shares or 100 shares for example. You
Mm-hmm.
bought 50. You are knowing it's likely coming down. Then I might buy 25 year, making it 100 or something like that. Okay, now actually yesterday it started showing positive.
Okay.
So no attend, and it didn't violate this level. So you have an advantage over there. The
Okay.
same way you have power of RS monthly, whatever is the monthly. Last month was escorts actually for August
Okay.
or July, and which is attained and it's up and up.
Wow.
So so in between, if the prices are going higher, it will
Mm.
show you TA. Okay.
Okay.
Over there again, logic since it's a monthly, you have a lot of room over there. So you don't need to rush for bigger volumes, or you can have a comfortable volume and then keep accumulating. So only I think
Correct.
problematic was a bit probably over here are still problematic. But you are getting that current price is 558 and you are under
Entered.
this, so not
Mm-hmm.
avoided. But you have an opportunity, you can think it like that. Okay.
Okay.
Even power of quarterly, Reliance was there and India Cement was there in last two quarters. Reliance was there when the 1700 price, and India Cement also attained this 122 for that matter. Okay,
Okay.
so this was attained 122 was above 120, but the current price it will give you a check. So
Mm-hmm.
that you have a check as well as quick check because what is the scenario
Mm-hmm.
in that. So that is why Google Sheet was created. More towards who are doing daily margins actually on margin trading, but weekly also you can do on margin. Monthly
Okay.
also you can do on margin, but you should know that you are spacing out, so you are also exposed to higher risk compared to daily. Daily
Okay.
are risky, but they are of lesser risk. But weekly can be or monthly can be of higher risk,
Okay.
so that your volume has to shrink down. So moment the risk remains high because if I'm looking at 1040 and I'm saying 769, but literally a delivery actually now.
Okay.
So
Yes.
in to a delivery you want to
Mm-hmm.
delivery, but you should be prepared for my BT, that is a support D1 DP, that is a DP basically,
Mm-hmm.
and D1. So if they come, then you should be in a position to take it. If it comes,
Okay.
take it. You already bought a lots of volume at higher levels. When it comes down, you have no position to take it. Then you say your fear is there. सर अभी तो और ले लिया अभी क्या करूँ अभी और कितना लेना है so that is where the implementation process is there. So whatever you do, you always split it, minimize your risk.
Okay.
Whatever. Aurobindo is now recovering. Aurobindo was
Okay.
down. If you see
Yes.
in part, let's take Aurobindo. So intra month actually it had this is what month month. Aurobindo always did well right from the beginning. 625 May, June, May. So this was May. So
Yeah.
May monthly. So now if I assume that you had taken a delivery also,
Okay.
or even doing margin. So monthly was then it was a fractional time down below the close, last close 745, low 720. So there was a fractional day to
Mm-hmm.
hold into it. So if you apply the same logic of open in this place,
Mm-hmm.
open above the month. So whenever it goes to month, so I will say
Okay.
first of the month.
Okay.
First, when it's trading above the month and above previous day's closing, then actually in the positive side.
Okay. Okay.
The logic works in all time frames. Whether in weekly also you can check if it is it's above the weekly open means Monday open.
Okay. Okay.
Above the Monday open, above Friday closing, then probably it will have a positive side. The
Wow.
intra-week fluctuation will happen. Some critics will say that अरे वो तो बाद में नीचे भी आता है. That I am aware about all the things. I'm not a
Mm-hmm.
person
But
knowing
the
about this.
but the closing will be possibly above the like
What
in that
happens
sense.
in intraday volatility, intra-week volatility, you have the opportunity. That is why we say that if you get the lower levels again, then you should be in a position to take it again.
Buy it. Okay. Average it
HDFC
more.
Life, for example, HDFC Life did not work immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Was lower slightly. Let's see. This was the week 21.
Mm-hmm.
17 closing market of this week. So it was up initially, then went down 601.
Mm-hmm.
601, we are at 605. People who don't want to implement, don't want to think, will always say that अरे वो कभी आएगा चला जाएगा हमको क्या पता.
Mm.
That I can't do anything about it actually.
Correct.
So there are
Mm.
ways to handle it. You can put a system orders which are there of a
Okay.
price. I put 25 shares here, 25 shares here. जो
Okay.
आया वो आया, जो नहीं आया वो खुल जाओ.
Absolutely.
There are ways to handle it. But 100% we don't know. No? Otherwise, all the people who are in the working in this financial industry would have been multi-millionaire, but they are working and taking a job.
Correct.
Who have a broking firm or whatever, or all even so-called VPs or head of, they are working because I mean they were 100% and they would have been industrialists by now. But they are not. They are
Absolutely.
just job and earning some lakhs, more than lakh a salary and happy with it. But with their knowledge basically and thought processes and ideas, whatever they might have with their experience and so on. So this
Correct.
was the objective over here that you are taking that and the closing was 620. And what we got in this week high was 647. Over here 625 was the level that is why showing TA and the price is 27. Price high this price and 640. People had the opportunity of making a right now it is showing 2%. It would have been around 4%. So within a week, so if you talk on ब्याज kind of a language,
Mm-hmm.
अरे 10 रुपए का किया तो मेरे को दो हफ्ते में 4% मिला.
Correct. Hmm. Yeah.
So you talk language, typical traders who are there who talk about this
No,
language.
even I calculated that way only.
हाँ मतलब anybody. So if you are able to, yeah, the only factor is that you have to control the risk, because what will happen, there will be some day or some week down the
Correct.
line, market is up, there will be some crash fall
Mm-hmm.
which will distort that day. Okay.
Correct.
Those are the times where you will have to manage it very, and if you lose big in that, then what will
Mm.
happen? You are accumulating small profits over here, and you are accumulating lose over there. So therefore, what happens is that whenever you are comfortable, trade. Whenever you are discomfortable, don't trade. Whether it is my things are going right or wrong.
Okay.
Ultimately, if you there's somebody who say डर लग रहा है मार्केट का अभी इधर इधर भी टॉप आउट होगा डर लग रहा है तो मत करना सिंपल.
Correct.
When you are comfortable, so that is why the beauty about this club membership we call it is that you have time for your
Mm-hmm.
own self. It's not putting pressure. And यार सर भाई 5,000 भर दिया सब किसी का मैं 10,000 भर दिया महीने का whatever or
Okay.
2,000. Sufficient time. You are going on holiday right now. You can't go on holidays. But suppose you are 15 days you are on holiday and you are
Uh-huh.
not looking at it. So it's fine. You are with no compulsion over here.
Correct.
So you're
Correct.
learning, you're experiencing. In 15
Mm-hmm.
days, you might see some ideas which have worked, and so that might build up a confidence for you.
True.
Okay, and
True.
that helps you because what happens is that start you might monitor some ideas, and you might monitor some levels. It working great, somewhere it will not. Somewhere some when the market stand down immediately ले लिया और तुरंत टूट गया. That kind of things also will you will experience.
Correct.
Those things we'll experience. Right now, we are not experiencing those kind of behaviors. Like you just, yeah, उसी दिन तोड़ा और फिर बाद में और तोड़ा. That kind of thing is not. So right now, what has happened is the market is a positive note. So even if some stock is weak,
Mm-hmm.
then like say even Cipla the other day, like you can see, yesterday you got that opportunity. Surely it was there, and
Yep.
you had a spike at the same day, but now you held on to it.
Correct.
Stocks without looking at fundamentals or without looking at news factors which keep crossing here and there.
Mm-hmm.
The RS concept is such that it will give stronger stocks
Okay.
overall, and
Okay.
we are monitoring markets. So wherever I have a choice of Cipla and other stocks, I will prefer Cipla. The one reason being because we have another product which is SMW, which is a portfolio product. So
Okay.
it's not here, it's a part of our portfolio. So wherever we are already into and if there is something comes up in the radar for trading,
Okay. Okay.
we always prefer that.
Okay.
So typically I know the MCX behavior, how it is there. Whenever the current is there, it is very fast. Whenever the current is not there, you are not looking at it.
Okay.
So with this product, we will never be doing bottom fishing.
Okay. Okay.
We will always find stocks which are already gone up and I'm giving. So I'm telling you first and only without before you could experience it.
Mm-hmm.
Because the strength concept such says that it is outperformance. Basically, we are looking at outperforming stocks for long trade, underperforming stocks for short trade on
Okay.
a daily basis. The same logic goes for weekly, monthly, but since we are looking only on long side,
Mm.
we will look at positive stocks and positive behavior stocks for so wherever there is a strength,
Mm-hmm.
there I will have some more ideas to choose, but
Okay.
then I will choose from that looking at a chart and looking at the candle formation a little bit on the. They're always the price is always going to be higher. People generally will come back and say, "वो तो आप बढ़ने के बाद देते हो." But strength comes only बढ़ने के बाद ना, बढ़ने
Correct.
घटने में नहीं होता है. Other way of getting strength is that the stock selection whenever when the market is falling down, there
Uh-huh.
will be still some stocks which are having strength. That means strength is such a concept that if your stock is falling down
Okay.
lesser than Nifty, then you gain on strength.
Okay.
Okay, your stock is flat and market is falling down,
Mm-hmm.
then you gain strength.
Okay.
If your stock is moving faster and
Mm.
Nifty is also moving up, you gain strength.
Okay.
Then so better. But what happens is that once this strength is there, we are comparing in the peer group.
Hmm.
Peer group, say whatever the condition is there, we might get 10 stocks out of that. So it's an order of preference also. Like somebody who says, what you will do, एक का RS 75 है, एक का RX 74 है, एक का RX 73 है, 72 and so on. So my first preference will be to look at 75,
Okay.
then at 73, then at 72 and then at 70. So it's an order of preference.
Okay.
And then you see the subjectivity of the chart behavior,
Okay.
whether it is positive or not. If
Mhm.
there is some large doji is there, and if there is a lot of upper shadow is there,
Mhm.
then immediately I will not prefer it.
Okay.
I will try to prefer somebody where center point is preferably below the last closing price. That is another way of our.
Okay.
So what happens is on a weaker opening you get the demand points. I will
Okay.
not look at something where there is uptrend and there is strength. Say for example, even if you're looking at Cipla as for example,
Mhm.
Cipla, for example, next day again it was throwing me in my list,
Okay.
for example. But it is below the center point, so it will go out. It will not come for next day.
Okay. Okay.
The radar. In the radar. So okay, even if it might be a strong stock, so you want to have a bull candles, basically bullish candles all the time.
Yes. Yes.
The probability of the bullish candle, because what happens is that whenever bullish candle comes, there is a tendency, and a strong stock RS, there is a tendency for it to move for 2 3 days. Maybe
Okay.
sometimes it will move up, 1 day down, and then another
Okay.
1 day up, and 2 day up. So it
Mhm.
depends. Like over here, it was like intraday down, slightly and moved up. You see over here, there is a tendency is always, say if there is no strength, like
Mhm.
if I tell you in this day, there will be no strength. Why no strength? Because this is gone flat and
Okay.
was doing better.
Okay.
In these 7 days, it will not have strength.
Okay. Okay.
The stagnant stocks, people say, a lot of people like also, अरे वो जब भी बढ़ता नहीं आराम बैठ से बैठा है तभी बोलना,
अच्छा.
because आराम से बैठा है तभी बोलना, then what we have to do, then we have to go to weekly chart. What
Okay.
happens, that weekly chart might have a strength,
Mhm.
but daily chart, this patch will not have strength.
Okay.
Same case on the monthly chart, it will have strength, but weekly chart it might be lesser, because what happens, when you go on to weekly, it is going to be 7 weeks.
Okay.
Period goes increasing. When you go on to month, it is going to be 7 months.
Mhm.
And when it goes on to quarter, it is going to be 7 quarters.
Correct. Yes.
That means what happens when I'm saying 7 quarters. So
Mhm.
it's like more of a fundamental kind of a thought process. In 7 quarters, it is outperforming. That means it has to have a good fundamentals at all. Without you cannot do it.
Correct. Yes. Absolutely.
Or it has to have a good demand coming in from FIIs, mutual funds. Then only it will have a demand. Then only it will hold a strength. Otherwise, it will not.
Absolutely.
So it's about demand. Demand comes in because there is buying, and buying comes in because there are certain good factors into the stock. So
Okay.
in weekly, the precedence will automatically be towards the better fundamentals. So therefore, we call the price is a leading indicator to your known and unknown fundamentals, because they
Okay.
are all factoring. Whether it is COVID, right now markets are going up, and we are all talking about uh, there is no fundamental ground level sales. No perform economy is not performing at this point.
Correct.
But I'll tell you, yesterday was the highest day
Uh-huh.
ever in the Indian history. That the historical P is 30.20.
Wow.
Highest PE. So-called fundamental guys will refer to the market as PE. But earnings have been crashing. Just to give an idea about,
P
give an
is
idea.
P is price to earning, right, sir?
So if you look at the basic idea about all this, the analogies can be different. Different person following it, so on. So before just winding up, I'll just show you this.
Sure, sir.
purple line is a PE line.
Okay.
The yellow line is the earning line. This is a historical, not forecasted or not futures, not
Okay.
future earnings, but the
Wow.
current historical which NSE declares
Okay.
is rising. This is the highest ever. 29.90 was the highest which we ever recorded earlier. And
Mm-hmm.
yesterday 15.20. Earning is crashing. So earning crashing is an indication of the economy, but market is P is going up.
Mm-hmm.
That if P is supposed to be a factor where generally लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई 29 के ऊपर market चलता नहीं है. Well, historically also we have seen it in 2000, 2007, 8 and so on and on. ठीक है.
Okay.
So we are on the if we are on the upper end of the cycle,
Uh-huh.
there is a high probability that you might see turning at some point of time in maybe 15 days, 1 month, as early as possible you can see.
Okay.
We are in the upper end of cycle, but it can happen that if basically if earnings starts moving up, maybe some development happens, maybe at least for at least 2 quarters, you don't might not find where
Yeah.
earnings start pushing up. Maybe after Diwali or something, where you
Mm-hmm.
might just get the feel of it that okay, last 6 months there is some because of online sale and so on and so on.
Mm-hmm.
That is not very nice to talk much because I don't go into depth like that.
Mm-hmm.
So as it goes up, you might find earnings start moving up, then P start moving. So it could be a case when people are talking about, may not be talking right now, but maybe sooner we might talk about re-rating of so-called P. It
Okay.
can happen. People will, it's not gone, so what? It can some point of time go. At some point, or it might happen. The reasons can be anything because market starts is a futuristic in nature, so people market starts looking at it in different way. Price is a net consensus of what is happening around. Okay, the what is happening around may not be the correct picture, but in the current scenario, but it may be market is looking at more hindsight. Why pharmas are going up? You'll say that अरे कोई भी pharma के पास medicine मिलेगा, whatever, any reason can be.
Yeah. Yeah.
That we don't know, but they are going up is a proof that eh, obviously logic is that because in this scenario pharma companies somebody discovered something is good, but all pharmas are going up.
Correct.
You can so call is as a so called defensive, so called defensive people call it like all because market is down, pharma whatever. So but this is something which is there, of course not part of the purview of
Mm-hmm.
us idea or in the market. So something new can happen, re-rating can happen, or something will happen. So we have to wait and watch. But as far as the product is concerned, so the strength, what are the why we diverted basically because of the strength factor.
Correct.
If buying is there, then it will go up, and automatically it will give me the focus stocks where there is more demand.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody like say autos were falling and they were not in the radar, but off late for last 3 months, uh, Hero Honda and Bajaj Auto has been on a radar because
Okay.
they are gaining strength, not because I am interested or buying or any of my personal interest or something like that. It's just that RS is telling me that they are in demand because FIs mutual funds probably have bought it
Correct.
or they are in demand. So they are buying, then they are thinking they are doing their own R&D. Na? They are
Correct.
thinking much in advance. Probably this could be the least impacted sector in the whatever they might have some exports or something like that. I don't know anything about that. But the price is moving up for us. For me, relative strength is more important because demand and supply is more important for me. Because demand price is the leading indicator known in fundamental. Price is something where keeps factoring all the factors.
Absolutely, sir.
That's the case, then market, why will market recover? No? Market will go from 7,000 point, might go to 5,000, 2,000, whatever. Then it's not the end of the world. No? And such, see, Dow Jones for in 100 years, even if you talk about 1929 and so on, it has fallen two world wars or so whatever, world wars and so many oil wars,
Mm-hmm.
crisis, and so many things, and 1987 crash or whatever. And then you had so many things happening. Market, of course, there is a lifespan of an investor which is comes into picture. But on 100 years of data, markets are always up, apart from Japanese market, which are 30 years, 40 years down. But on the whole, from a equity market point of view and from the stock market point of view, I'm saying I don't know about the ground levels. whatever the macro fund
Mhm.
by the price, and we go by the charts, whatever it is. So that's there. So they have gone up over the years.
Correct.
Depends on where you start. If I start your investing career in 2008,
Mhm.
that investing career in 2008, then there is going to be a problem. If you start your career in investing career in 1992,
Uh-huh.
depends on where you start. So if you start accidentally at 2003 and 2002,
Mhm.
then that stock market is the most golden thing in this world. Because whatever you buy. So this year could be that opportunity.
Okay.
Crash, and we've been advocating that since the crash. Not that it's a crash after 10 years and 12
Correct.
years.
Correct.
Of course, golden opportunity. It's a time when lifetime decade opportunity. Maybe you might have one more call.
Mhm.
Probably, I don't know. But probability is the moment the swing top happens, we might be looking at some other. I cannot talk much about that in this part because that's a separate thing.
Absolutely okay, sir. Absolutely okay.
But the product is that how do you implement. So if you or maybe you can note your queries and take another session sometime on your queries and whatever difficulties you might
Sure, sir. I'll
stop.
directly mail you, sir. If I have any doubts, I'll mail you directly, sir.
So what happens is why we are saying this is because what is this recording happens to you with you.
Uh-huh.
When this is disconnected, you will get a file automatically. So
Okay.
whatever queries you can list me down and discuss it on the chat like this mode, so that
Okay.
can I can explain as to my extent and admit also when it has failed completely or
Okay.
not worked as per. We don't understand the reason why it did not work. What are the rules which you get fulfilled
Mm-hmm.
for a negative side? Discuss that and whatever difficulty you are finding in implementing.
Mm-hmm. Nice, sir. Nothing as of now. Like today, the session was very nice. Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
this
sir.
you will get to read it, go through again. So that is why
Okay.
the thing is that I want to do and I do my whatever trainings on this, so that they get a file so they can
Yeah.
refer to it. If the
Okay.
have been very helpful, then you will get that opportunity to rewind it and read and go through it so that you remember what I spoke. And
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
that is what is why we are saying is learn and earn. And somebody
Nice.
had mailed it sometime back to one very old because I generally focus on very old plans if they are coming back or they are not coming back. But sometimes somebody said you had said learn and earn. What is that you are going to learn? Like typical in this tone. What's kya
Okay.
sikha? It is not that I cannot kya sikha. It is an experience.
Okay.
It's an experience and it is your willingness. First, you have to step forward and
Correct.
say, okay, I'm interested. I would like to go for it. And then you'll start. I cannot tell you what I will do. When we first spoke to each other, whatever I'm speaking now is not you had heard about me earlier.
Correct.
It's only
Yeah.
after the commitment, commitment no, that I would like to tell you some things, explain you something. If you're
Absolutely.
not committed, you tell me first explain, then I will be committed. Then it doesn't work. Because
Yeah.
time and energy also goes of everybody, so it has to be a mutual consent before we actually accept. Start with. So you can go through the video again, and that's the objective. And if any queries is there, you can actually find it.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.